Welcome back to my channel Cloud SaaS. Today we are going to see how to use the lookup value function in Power BI. The interview panel will ask you like how to get the average value or how to get the minimum value or how to get the maximum value under the subcategory of let's say comic. So let's say this is the sample data we have and the data has the same value for all the rows. So we have two categories, books and beauty. So under the category we have subcategory which is comic and drama from books and skincare and perfume under the category of beauty. But the twist is each row has a different percentage value. Okay. So in this scenario we have percentage common percentage that is 5% under the subcategory of comic and 2.5% for drama and 1.5% for skincare and 3% for perfume. Now we are going to pull out the percentage for each category. We are in table 1 and we are going to pull out in a table 2. So we are creating a new column over here and we are going to name it as percentage. Okay, percentage, fine. So we are going to use lookup value. This lookup value function the same way like how the VLOOKUP do the things in Excel. So we are just using lookup value. So the lookup value, the syntax is result column, then search column. So for lookup value, the syntax is result column, then search column, search value. So result column, that is what the result I want to get from the table 1, which is percentage from table 1. Okay, comma, search column 1. So from where we need to search. Let's say for example, we have a date here and we want to search a date from table 1. So date from table 1, select, then comma. So search value is supposed to be the same date from table 2. Okay. So again I am selecting date from table 2. Fine. Now I am just doing alt enter. Now the syntax asks about the search column 2 and search value 2. So based on the date category and subcategory, we have to pull out the percentage value, right? So let me use category from table 1, which is search column, and we need to give the search value from table 2, which is the category name here. So category 2, category from table 2, then search column 3. So again we have to use subcategory from table 1, search column, then search value from subcategory of table 2. Let me close the bracket and comment it. See, we got the percentage respective to the subcategory of value. See, this is the output that we got. In this scenario, the data is same, but the percentage is different for all the rows. Let's say we have a subcategory of comic, we have 3%, which is 5, 5.25 and 5.5. So the interview may ask you to get the average value of subcategory comic. So we have to get the average value, which is we have to add these 3 and divide by 3. The average function we have to use. And the interview may ask you to get the minimum value from these 3 rows or maximum value. So we are going to cover these scenarios in this video. So for this, let me just create a new column here. Let me name the column as average percentage equal to. So here instead of lookup value, we have to use calculate function, and the expression supposed to be we have to get the average, right? So we use average function here and the column name. So which column we need to get average? That is percentage from table 21. So we are in table 22 and we have to get the percentage from table 21. So percentage from table 21. So select the column, close the bracket, then we have to use filter function here, filter, and table supposed to be table 21. Fine. Then so what is the expression now? So the expression is date from table 21 equal to date from table 22. So we have one more condition, which is category from table 21 equal to category from table 22. Another condition is subcategory of table 21 equal to subcategory of table 22. So what it will do, it will match the column from both the table and get the percentage. So let's close the bracket and let's close the bracket for calculate and let's commit now. See here the result is 5.25 for common. So let us cross check in the table 21. So we have 3 rows under the subcategory of comic. So let me use the calc. Let me add the first value as 5, then 5.25, then 5.5, which is 15.75. 15.75 divided by 3 equal to 5.25. So 5.25 is the average. 5.25 is the average. Now our result is right. So the same way I want to get the minimum value and maximum value. So for this, let me copy the DAX. I just create a new column again. Just paste the DAX and rename it as min, that is minimum. Instead of average, let me use min function. So that's it. And the remaining DAXs are right. So let me commit this. So now see, now we got the result as 5 minimum for comic. And the same way we have to use max for. So let me paste the DAX formula here again, and instead of average, let me use max function. Here also, instead of average, let me use max and commit the DAX. See, we got the maximum of 5.5%. So now we got all the three scenarios, that is average, min, and maximum. In this scenario, we are using the same data, but additionally we have a product code column. So for this again, we are going to use new column. So percentage value equal to, we have to use lookup function here, and the result column supposed to be percentage from table 31. Okay, so percentage from table 31 supposed to be the output, that is result column. Then search column, from which column we have to search? Table 31 as a date, right? Table 31 as a date. Then search value again. So we have to provide the date from table 32. First condition. And second, we have to use category. So category from table 31 with, we have to search the value in table 32, which is category. Then next column is subcategory. Subcategory, we have to search the column subcategory from table 33 and search values again subcategory of table 32. And additionally, we have to add product code search column from table 31, comma, search value supposed to be product code from table 32. Let us close the bracket and come with this. See, we got the percentage from table 31. Thanks for watching, and please do let me know if you have anything in comments. And if you like my videos, just hit like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.